Hi guys!
Hi everyone!
So we are off on a quick weekend trip. Stick around and find out where we're off to. Yes, that's right. It's been one of those weeks where you get to the weekend and you just think, right, time to go and get some fresh air, get away in the van. It's only going to be one night, but that's all we need just to recharge the batteries after quite a week. So, yes, looking forward to this one. Where are we going?
We're off to Market Overton, which is Rutland. I think it's called the Lodge Trust, and it is, hello Rox, it is a couple of CLs. So they've got two, one for Caravan and Camping Club members, and one for Caravan and Motorhome Club members, so 10 pitches in total.
Very nice.
We're Caravan and Motorhome Club, so that's what Will has duly booked us onto. I think it's pitch 3 from memory.
No idea.
Doesn't matter.
But yeah, you book online. All availability and everything's online. They do single nights, which is great. Quite a few places don't, which is a bit of a pain. Pay online with a credit card. Job done. So Market Overton's got a pub. I think it's called the Black Bull.
I thought you said it was the Blue Dog.
No, it's definitely the Black Bull or the Bull, something like that.
I clearly wasn't listening.
Booked a table there for 7:30.
Nice.
Should be good. They said it gets busy, so that's a good sign. And yeah, looking forward to a nice few walks and a good meal. So we'll see what it's like. Check it out. There you go then, welcome to this campsite. This is lovely, look at it. What a perfect set of 5 pitches this is. So no facilities block or anything like that here. This is a CL, so you need to be self-contained. So we've obviously got our shower, toilet and everything else on board in our van. We have just filled it up with water here. There is water on the pitch, and there is somewhere around here, just behind me there is hookup. So I need to have a look and see how much electric the van's got, but obviously we've got an inverter and stuff, so we don't really need the hookup here. You can't take the hookup price off though on the campsite, so the price is the price whether you use the electric or not. So yeah, very, very nice so far. Hopefully it's not going to rain. We forgot to bring our raincoats with us because it's only a single night away. We just chucked stuff in the van and went. So schoolboy error there, but hopefully we can get a good dog walk in and start to explore. Right then, off for a walk with the DOG. So you've already been out for a bit of an explore, haven't you?
I have, yes. It's not a particularly large place, but it's very pleasant. Very pleasant.
So what is it, a park or a garden or a stately home? Or?
Oh, it's definitely not a stately home. It's kind of like a small country park that's attached to this trust, which is a charitable trust for disabled children, I think it is.
Okay.
So there's a nice play area in here with the kind of play equipment that disabled children need as well. So, but it's a nice kind of woodlandy-ish country park walk with gravel paths and then woodland kind of grass paths too.
Why is she drinking out of a puddle again?
I don't know.
And have you found the cafe?
Yeah, it's closed.
Oh.
Not open on weekends.
See, that's just weird, isn't it?
Just as it is, isn't it?
Okay, well, that's okay. We've got our own stuff, haven't we? So, right, onward then, lead on. Right, let's give you a bit of our bearings then. So, van over the back there. Country park just here. So let's have a bit of a wander around. This looks very, very nice. So this is the cafe here on the left.
Yes, cafe and shop.
Cafe and shop. So if you are here during the week, Monday to Friday, this is open. And if you look at the website, it looks really good. Like bacon cobs and tea and coffee and all that kind of stuff. Sounds really nice.
Contrary to the website, it does say dogs are allowed in the back room.
Oh, that's nice.
As well.
Even better. Always nice to see that dogs are welcome. That is nice, isn't it? But obviously nobody's welcome at the weekend.
But they have got some plants for sale and some kindling for sale, and you can still buy those. There's QR codes and things for ways to pay.
Very good. And good play equipment and everything here as well. So apparently this is a circular walk, so let's do the circle. Well, that was nice.
Very pleasant.
It's quite a short loop, isn't it?
It is.
It's very pleasant nonetheless.
Yeah, probably about 500 metres or so, something like that.
Now, we're being a bit cheeky with this camping overnight because it's actually a 25-hour day.
It is.
So we're doing this on the weekend when the clocks change. So tomorrow we get an extra hour in bed. Come on. And what better way to spend that extra hour than lying in the van? So, yes, hopefully you've done exactly the same when you're watching this. You're thinking, yes, we did that. So good on you. Now, the pub. The Black Bull.
Black Bull.
Black Bull. It's the other side of the village, and we're not sure whether there's a footpath from here and this trail through to the village, or whether we just walk down the edge of the road. But it's all quiet village anyway.
Yeah,
so
and it's not a big place.
It's not a big place. But what time is it now? 4:45. So I think probably maybe a drink in the van first, bit of a relax, and then a wander down to the pub.
Mooch to the pub.
Yeah, our tables book for 7:30, but that doesn't mean that we can't get down there before that for a drink or so. So, yeah, and the sun is here as well.
All good.
All good. So when you come into the site, you're met with this. So it's very clear. Caravan and Motorhome Club to the right, Camping and Caravanning Club to the left, and the Camping and Caravanning Club site is just over here, just at the bottom. So did you say it was 3 pitches, or is it more than that?
I think there's more than that, but I think there's either 2 or 3 hard surfaced, and then there's grass opposite.
I think it's 5. I think you're right. When I was looking online, I think there's 2 hard standing and then the rest are grass. So make sure you pick the right one for you so you don't get stuck. I'm sure that wouldn't go down well. But yeah, here's the certified site. That's what it is.
So it's not a CL.
It's not a CL, it's a certified site.
It's a CS.
So yeah, very nice indeed. And this here, just around the back of this hedge, that is the grass pitches. As you can see, the little post markers on the left. So that's where you'll be able to pitch your tent. Very, very nice. Right then, it's gone 6 o'clock, so we're going to go and have a wander through the village to find a pub, have a drink before our meal later on. So yeah, I don't think it's a big place, so this isn't going to be a particularly long segment, I don't think. So we can just have a wander down the path by the side of the road, nice and safe. Well, it's street lit as well. We did bring our head torches with us, but that's good. Have you found it?
We found it.
Found it. And I think you're about ready to go in out the cold, aren't you?
I'm absolutely frozen. Where on earth has this biting wind come from?
It's suddenly arrived, doesn't it?
Oh, crikey.
Not good. Not good at all. But warm pub awaits.
Yes.
Let's get in
Let's
there. Oh, we're in the warm now.
Radiators are on.
Yes.
And the beer is flowing.
Cheers. Well, isn't this nice? It's very pleasant in here. Do like this. Not seen a menu yet. Seen the specials board. Usual kind of pricing, as you would imagine, but really good selection of beers and lots of zero beers as well, which we're a big fan of at the minute. Not keen on the hangovers, so actually zero beer really is a good idea. Oh,
This is enormous.
that
It looks amazing.
That is a big plate of food, that. Mind you, mine's not exactly small. I think Eyes down there would very much like to give you a hand with that. You have a go first.
She has had her dinner. That was lovely.
That was lovely, wasn't
Very
it?
nice. Lovely warm pub. Very warm.
Yes, very warm. I just hope it's charged us up enough to be able to get back to the van now.
Yeah.
But yeah, fantastic pub. Really good food.
Lovely.
Right, come on there, dog. Let's go. There you are then. Nice little stop away.
Yeah, a really lovely little sea owl. So quiet.
Very quiet.
Really peaceful.
Not an owl or anything, was there?
No.
Nothing, literally nothing at all. And actually, there was a bit of a ground frost last night, wasn't there? So pretty chilly, but not in the van. Nice and warm in here.
Good and toasty until Will couldn't figure out how to switch on the heating this morning and kept telling me it's on, and I'm sitting there and my nose is getting colder and my feet are freezing.
I thought I'd switched it on. But hey ho, never mind. If you're wondering about location here, so you've got lots of different options if you want to go out exploring in the van. So we're going to nip to Stamford this morning to have a bit of a look round, and you can go to Oakham, you can go to Melton Mowbray. There's lots of different places which are really quite close here, aren't there? Peterborough.
Well, most importantly, Rutland Water.
And Rutland
it's only
Water.
a few miles down the road.
Absolutely.
Lots of parking there, no problem for parking big camper vans and motorhomes and things like that.
No issue at all.
No height barriers. It's not overly cheap parking. I think it's about £2 an hour, but it's lovely to go and have a walk around. Lots of beautiful wildlife and scenery to look at. It's really nice.
If you've not been to Rutland Water before, there's lots of different car parks dotted around, and if you have a look at a map before you go, you'll see which ones have got cafes, and there's a few restaurants and stuff. It's really nice actually, isn't it? And you can, what we tend to do when we go there is park at one, walk to another one, have a cuppa and stuff, and then walk back, and you can just choose really how long you want to walk for.
Yeah,
if you
time it correctly as well, there's something called the Rutland Bell, which is a kind of small ferry basically that goes across the reservoir, which is nice, and they take dogs. Yeah.
So yeah, well worth a look. Definitely recommend this one. Get it on the list.
Yeah, lovely.
Yeah, brilliant. Okay, hopefully it's been helpful for you. Thanks very much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you again soon for some more
Campervan Time.